The last way that we're going to use to measure the center of a set of numbers is by range. Range is the difference between the highest and the lowest numbers. And if you'll remember, difference means subtract. So that's exactly what we're going to do. First, we're going to order our numbers. And then second, we're going to subtract the smallest number from the largest. So here we have our set of numbers. Now I'll point out another mistake that oftentimes happens. We look at the first number and the last number, we will subtract them. And let's say that would be 7, right? 108 minus 101 is 7. Well, I can tell you now, 7 is not the range. So we need to take that time to order them from smallest to largest. All right, so we have our numbers in order, and now we're going to subtract the smallest from the largest. So we have 187 minus 101, and we get 86. So the range of these numbers is 86. And remember at the beginning when we said if you just took this number and this number you subtracted, you'd get 7. So 86 is not even close to 7. So you have to take that time to order your numbers and make sure you have the smallest and largest. Really quickly, I wanted to show you a number plot. A number plot is just a representation of a set of numbers. It's just with a number line and x's. So for instance, since it has 3 x's over the number 3, that means 3 would show up 3 times. There's 1x over the 4, so that would represent 1 4. There's 1x over the 5, and there's 1x over the 7. So this set of data right here is the exact same as this picture. Just kind of wanted to show you this because sometimes these line plots do show up. So if we were looking at this line plot, they could ask you something like, what's the range of this line plot? And the smallest number would be 3, and the largest number would be 7. The good thing about a line plot, it's already in order for you. So you would just do 7 minus 3, and the range of this line plot would be 4. Let's go ahead and look at the note page. Finding the range. What is the range? The range is the difference between the largest and smallest numbers in a data set. How do you find the range? 1. You order the numbers. 2. You subtract the largest and smallest numbers. Remember, difference equals subtraction. Example 1. A teacher measured the height of 5 students in feet. We have our numbers right here. We put them in order. The smallest number is 4.2. The largest is 5.7. We go ahead and subtract that, and we see the range is 1.5 feet. All right, number 2. A geologist weighed 7 rocks from his collection in grams. First, we would order these numbers from smallest to largest, and then we would subtract 928 minus 87, and the answer is 841. The range of these numbers would be 841 grams. The last thing we need to know is that the range is also known as the spread. So if you think about the spread of the numbers, how far does it reach between the two? If you see spread, know they're talking about range. So the important ideas for range, the main thing really is just to make sure that you order your numbers so that you're not subtracting the wrong numbers. We have some example problems that you can do, so go ahead and pause this video, make sure you order your numbers, subtract the largest and the smallest, and get your range. When you're done, press play to see the answers. All right, for your first set of numbers, your range is going to be 12, and for your last set, it's going to be 14. I hope you enjoyed these videos on mean, median, mode, and range, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.